Oh my god! Oh! The owner of this 911 Turbo S warned me it will ruin every other car. What is this thing? And actually, he didn't warn me enough. Let's take it for a drive, shall we? The first thing I noticed in comparing it to the R8 is how comfortable it is. It's a very smooth experience, but there is that flat 6 turbocharged engine in the back that you can still hear even in these lower RPMs to remind you that you're actually driving a monster, which you can unleash. And I will be comparing this car to the R8 because that's my only supercar experience, although I think the better comparison will be the GT3 Porsche because it has the naturally aspirated engine. This one is turbocharged. Let's put it to sport mode. And I like to drive in manual, all these cars, so this is a third gear pull from 3000 RPM. Oh my god! What is this thing? Oh my god. Listen to that sound! It's pretty good. It's actually loud. And the PDK is lightning fast, like... Oh my god. Oh my god! That flex 6 noise is just insanity. Once you get like over 5000 RPM, you can really hear the flat 6. Turbo whistles are really nice. I really love them. They're really special about this car. Like when you just go a little bit on the throttle, you get that. It's so addicting. It makes you want to do that all the time. Oh my god! And the ceramics are something even crazier because you stop just as fast as you accelerate, maybe even faster. Comparing it to the R8, I can already tell that this car has way more torque and that it's way more playful in those lower RPMs. For example, from 3000 RPM you can already floor it and it will push you in your seat and you'll feel that punch. And once the turbo picks up even more at the higher RPMs, your brain just evaporates, literally. It's that crazy. Oh yeah, this thing like has the infinite amount of grip. This is a nice corner. Okay, the brakes are the goat of this car. Holy shit, man. Listen to that turbo sound. Oh my god, it's so beautiful to experience this. This car sticks to the ground like it has infinite grip because of that all-wheel drive and also the rear-wheel steering and of course the engine in the back, which I haven't even talked about. You don't really feel that. You can't really tell that that's a really big characteristic of this car. You can feel that in the handling. You can tell, okay, this is like a completely different universe in terms of weight distribution. And I think Porsche got that really well. Although the Porsche has a little bit more body roll than the R8, R8 is a little bit stiffer and a little bit more planted and you don't feel that body roll at all. Listen to that sound. Oh my god. It really is something. Oh my god! It's so crazy. It bounces a little, but it just offers infinite confidence. Oh my god, listen! It sounds amazing. Yes, R8 has a lot more emotion, is a lot more raw, but this is also a great sound, I must say. Let me see if I can do a launch control. I guess you go to Sport Plus, hold. Are you ready, guys? Oh my god! Oh! Holy shit! Woo! Oh my god! 0 to 100? Absolutely! Oh my god! Guys, this is insane. Porsche says it does like 2.8, 2.9. I don't really care about those numbers. The way it felt like it was warping space and time at the same time, and oh my god, this was insane. This car is fast. Clean. Punch it! Oh my god! Listen to that engine! This thing sings. It's fucking crazy, man. This thing is insane. You know what? I want one. I need one. I didn't even realize what speeds was I doing. And just turning it back to D around town, it's just so easy, man. It's very, very sophisticated, and it goes from a track car to a Golf, basically. That's the difference between the R8 and this car. You can really daily drive this thing, so I would say that this car wins in that daily driver battle. For a one-car solution, I think this is one of the best cars you can buy. Second gear. And this corner is... it just chews it. Look at this. You don't even have to brake. You just turn in. It turns in. It does everything you tell it to. And my brain is imagining a line, and I'm doing it with this car. It's just so easy. And you just floor it, and it will offer so much traction and grip. And it feels unreal. And it feels unreal fast as well. Look at this direction change, man. It's insane. Turbo noises all day. I can hear them all day. Second gear, out of a corner. It's just f***ing insane, man. This is just f***ing insane. Wow. I hope you enjoyed watching me get broken and deleting normal cars from my existence. Hope you really enjoyed the video. I had a blast, and I will have to rethink some of my decisions. See you.